Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Unexpectedly, this became one of my most favorite vehicles we have here right now. I love this Blazer, and it's when I took it out and drove it all afternoon is when I really fell in love with it. There's a supercharged LS motor under the hood, well over 600 horsepower. Believe it or not, even being slammed down, the thing rode and handled great. I was completely in awe when I drove it. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Right now, join me for a spin in this 72 Blazer. Yeah, we seen how low it was, we seen how giant those wheels were. I literally took it home so I can find out just how bad it is and make a list of the things we need to correct or fix. It was amazing. I don't know how, but even over the bumps, the thing just rode nice. It's had a nice, comfortable ride. It cornered, it steered, it stopped great. Fast, absolutely. This thing will kick it and go. But if you don't want to, you just want to cruise with it, it's an easy car to drive. So I really, really like it. There's pictures on our website with the top off. It does unbolt. It is removable. I got this from a major car collection. He has over 50 collector cars, all real nice stuff like this one here. The motor, well, we'll get to the motor in a little bit. But new shocks and springs, disc brakes up front. Underneath's completely dry. The body is really clean on this thing. That's why they chose it to build. The floors are just smooth as a chalkboard. It's the 4L60E. That's the electronic shift overdrive automatic transmission. So the body, like I was saying, it's all metal everywhere. It's just all rust-free metal. Really, really clean body. Now the color, I've also grown to really love. It's appropriate for a Blazer. This is the original color. When you open a glove box, it's never been painted. It's the original color. It's appropriate. This is how I remember the old trucks from the early 70s. I don't think I'd put this color on a new Corvette or something, but it fits for this vehicle. The paint is laid out real smooth, clear coat finish. It's polished, it's glossy. It's a gorgeous paint job. They color match the grills, the bumpers. Marker lights look new, emblems look new, door handles are new. New windshield, all new rubber gaskets around all the glass. The side windows here are tinted. New weather strips around the doors. This weather strip you might have noticed is missing. We already ordered it. Should be here any day. We will be installing that. Tailgate works. That's pretty nice. I've not seen that before. It's the upholstered tailgate. I guess you go to a tailgate party, it's a little more comfy, but it looks nice. And the side panels in here are all upholstered to match too. It's the white houndstooth interior. Custom gas cap, which I'm sure opens somehow. There we go. 22-inch wheels. They're US mag wheels, 22-inch, low-profile performance tires. The interior is excellent. It's all got the sound deadener on the floor, and it's got carpet from the firewall to the tailgate. It's all carpeted. Front seats, I think these are aftermarket seats because they have nice bolsters. They're all new, firm, cushioned. The back seat is upholstered to match, and like I said, it has the side panels. Looks like a new emblem in the grille. So it's a 6-liter LS2 motor, aluminum heads, got some nice, they look like stainless steel headers, a Paxton Novi 1200 supercharger. It's polished, has an air-to-water intercooler, and this is all polished, all the piping, The air intake, big polished tube. The upper radiator hose is a polished tube. So when you open it up, it looks pretty sharp. It's got some racing style seat belts, real easy to use. You just put it in and clip it. It's got a low car shifter on the floor. Inside here has been painted. The whole inside is real nice, not broken or beat up. It's all real nice. New rubber gaskets on the insides too. Has a leather wrapped VIP steering wheel, new dash pad. Really nice looking cobalt gauge cluster down below and the tachometer on the dash. They light up blue. I think they look real cool. Real basic truck. On the inside of the glove box, it has the original sticker. It's practically empty. It shows the color, which this is the original color. Pretty basic truck. Fire it up. Got Flowmaster exhaust. I noticed the dash lights kind of look blue also. I want to blow out the speakers. New battery, aluminum radiator. Oh boy, this thing wants to go. Sunday morning I already told my wife and my daughter we're going to get up early Sunday morning and go for a nice cruise. I can pick any car, and this is the one I'm going to take. I look forward to it. We're going to hit some back roads and just go for a nice drive. So anyway, there it is. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our salesman. I just gave you my impression of the car. It's really nice. There's like maybe a little nick here or there. It's not a brand new car. It's super nice. I drove it. I can vouch for how it handles and performs. And volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll answer any questions you have about the car, the process, the financing, the shipping. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.